This is about it. And yes, I'm actually holding a microphone in this way to actually make a point. This is about it, guys. This is going to be one of the most important videos on my entire YouTube channel, so please watch it attentively. I'm going to show you exactly what is happening right now in the crypto space, in Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., so that you're not caught off guard. Because I think that with this price action that literally began, well, hours ago, a day ago, and we actually see some buying pressure, really good volume on Ethereum and also on Bitcoin. Look, we are almost like retesting this upper slope, which is what we really wanted to see, and we really wanted to stabilize above 65. So right now, with quite a bit of volume in the daily chart, we did. Hopefully, it's going to also close in a weekly. And generally, also time-wise, we actually came to the end of this, as per the neural network analysis of the AI that we are using also in Crowell Capital. We actually are at the end of this threat area. Again, it means nothing. At some point, it can change at any given point. But generally speaking, in terms of what we were expecting, this danger zone cycle-wise and liquidity-wise, 15th of October going forward, this is finally where October is. And we actually are seeing some October. So 66,000 per Bitcoin, actually a little bit above, retesting this so that actually once we close above 66, so we're actually gonna break the structure, so to speak. So this is beautiful, and ETH is actually doing not bad as well. And so here we can also remove this danger zone. So I will give you my conclusion as to what I think is going to happen in the end of this video. But first, let me explain why this is happening and why the pump came now. And the explanation is actually relatively simple. And remember about my trade. Geez, I just got logged out again. Okay, next video I'm going to show you the trade again. So remember that I'm trading on Bybit, and right now my trade is coming close to break even, and then our target is far beyond 10K per ETH. That's millions of dollars. So if you've been holding on to our bags together with me, then congratulations. And remember that I'm trading over on Bybit, and with my exclusive link that you can find down in the description of this video, you can actually claim, well, let me see, the bonuses right here, up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses of real money that you can use for your own trading. And also right now, you can actually join my squad in WSOT, one of the biggest trading competitions in the world, with a prize pool of $10 million and benefit, also all the smallest benefits, and a yacht giveaway, cars, iPhones, etc. So, and join my squad and show what you can do as a trader. Also link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And generally speaking, join Bybit, big, reliable, good liquidity, and just quite competitive, and gives you up to 42% also as a small bonus. Only if you're going to use my link to Bybit, you're going to get up to 42% discount on trading fees, which is pretty insane. So, but if you already have an account with Bybit, you can create a new one using a different form of identification for your KYC, such as, for example, a driver's license. So now, to the reasons why we are pumping. If you look at Bitcoin ETF flow, look, oh my God, in one day, $555 million. So $500 million, more than $500 million flowed into Bitcoin in one single day. And then people were saying, oh yeah, well, we're seeing sales, people are selling Bitcoin. Yeah, but then one day, like 2 days, almost $1 billion. And the picture suddenly changes again, and we pump. So that's why, guys, always pay attention to the details. Ethereum, no, not as much, quite frankly, very slow, but I think it's going to pick up. And so it's obvious why Bitcoin pump, I mean, $500 million just from the ETFs. But if you actually pay attention to the news and what Larry Finn and BlackRock is saying right now about Bitcoin, it's insane how far they're pushing it. Really, like, I'm not going to bore you to death with, you can go to Twitter and you can find all these recordings. But in general, Larry Finn recently in the last 24 hours said that Bitcoin is an asset in a class of its own. So he's pushing Bitcoin so hard, and also he's pushing Ethereum very hard. That's why I think that ETH will still outperform returns-wise Bitcoin in this cycle. He said that the role of Ethereum as a blockchain can grow dramatically. So he talks about real-world applications, about the entire ecosystem, about stable coins, and everything that is on ETH. Even though there are still so many Solana fans, when Ethereum is so much more fundamental than Solana, or to be honest, any other protocol out there outside of the scope of Bitcoin. Ethereum is by far the most fundamental one and has the biggest number of protocols that are important for the ecosystem and real-world applications. So when Solana has some of them, but mostly it's all just meme coin casino and just degen stuff, which is also great in of itself. So it's like it's part of the game. But BlackRock recognizes Ethereum and its potential. So Larry Finn, there was this earnings call third quarter of 2024 BlackRock earnings call, where they've discussed quite a bit of things. And if you just go into depth, into details on this earnings call, and here Eric also has pointed out quite a few interesting things, like the overall statement of Larry Finn, this is not just bullish. This is unbelievable. It's just how much they're pushing it. And if you actually pay attention to this right here, Larry Finn also said that Bitcoin will become as big as entire US housing market. For reference, Bitcoin's market size right now is like 1.3 trillion, while the US housing market is north of $50 trillion, almost basically double of gold's market cap. This is what was said by a multi-trillion-dollar asset manager. Are you paying attention right now? And are you seeing what they're doing? Are you seeing how much they're buying of it? Do you see, or do you still believe Bitcoin is going to go down to $20,000? Really? Why should it? Anyway, but that's not all I got for you guys. Also, this is one of the reasons why it's pumping, plus all the ETFs accumulating. I think it looks like the market also is starting to price in Donald Trump's victory, even though Larry Finn said it's not going to matter who's going to win, Donald Trump or Kamala Harris. But at the same time, I think that there is still a difference for the crypto market. And happily, we have such a huge lead on Trump right now. But what is worth mentioning, and I think that where Larry Finn is kind of correct, that Donald Trump is very pro-crypto. You know, he's right now, he also came out recently, which also contributed to the pump, and said that Bitcoin will and crypto will skyrocket like never before if he's elected president. And so far, it seems like he will be. But Kamala, at the same time, you know, I was really interested as to what she's gonna say at her, like, in her crypto speech just in the last 24 hours. And what she did, she actually did support crypto in her own way, but she said that she's gonna work on protecting cryptocurrency investments so that black men who make them know their money is safe. So basically, she spoke about crypto in a very positive sense, and also seemed to be, you know, supporting crypto, and well, which is quite obvious, quite frankly, because I don't think that they're interested in losing support from the crypto industry. So therefore, any candidate will probably be supporting crypto. That's why Larry Finn is saying that it doesn't matter who wins, Kamala or Donald. So that being said, considering all of this, considering the cycles that we are in, honestly, like, my prediction here is that I'm fully deployed. Like, I have some USDT left, but mostly fully deployed. So even if we go a tiny bit higher, we correct a little bit here, but this is going to be the beginning of the up move. I just don't believe in Ethereum below 2,000 again. I don't believe in Bitcoin below 60K again. Really, I think even if we're going to go down, maybe, I don't know, touch it somehow, do something slow, and then finally this, like, kind of a cup and handle type of a pattern and move off to the upside. So this is my take on here. Like, if we actually crash from here down to 30K, I don't know, by November, December, January, it's going to break the cycle. It's going to break the market. And I don't know what kind of a black swan event it would take for this to happen. There's certainly, full disclosure, a few % chance of it happening at any given point. The world is very unstable right now. But generally speaking, if I were ever to put my money on anything right now, this is it. That's it. This is the moment. This is what we've been waiting for. So you guys make your own decisions. Just remember about Bybit bonuses down in the description of this video, and about the Game Changer community and everything else. So, and check out this quick tutorial popping up on your screen as to how to trade properly with proper risk and money management, any cryptocurrency. Even if you think you know how to trade, check it out. You will learn at least something, and you're going to improve your performance, so it'll save you some money. See you in the next video.